How to fix Facebook photo quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook photo quality on Android phone. First, then open Facebook and then go to settings. Now scroll down until you find security and privacy, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find media, and here you will find this one like that. On data saver, all you need to do just click optimize it, and here you will find autoplay. Just make it on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.